Hello friends, it is Sunday evening and I'm getting ready for the week. And Monday morning I am washing clothes, uniforms, making sure we have everything we need to start our Monday off on the right foot. I've already made sure their papers and everything in their book bag, that's taken care of. Lunch is taken care of, now just the clothes. What do you guys do on Sunday nights to get ready for Monday or for the week? Welcome back to She's in Her Apron. Happy Monday. Now, all my kids go to school all day long. My youngest is a first grader, and I never go back to bed after the kids leave for school. Never, unless I'm ill. And today I was like, I'm going back to bed. Never do, because I just get up, I start my day, my routines, filming, editing, I get going. Today I was like, no, I'm gonna take advantage of this and I'm going back to bed. I needed more sleep. I was so tired. I've been up late lately. I need to break this horrible habit. And I was up late getting Motivational Monday out for you guys, and so I didn't go to bed till 3. I know, it's so bad. It's so bad. But ask the life of any YouTuber, and a lot of them have late nights. Oh, I hate when I do that. So I just got done with carpools, picking up Callie from work. I just took Jonah to lacrosse practice, and now I'm home. Derek wants a simple dinner. So the other day I cooked up some rotisserie chickens. So the leftover chickens from Costco, I'm going to get the skin and the fat off, and then I'm going to take all the chicken off the bones, put them in this bowl, and then I'll use the bones to make a stock.
In the Instapot.
Yeah, let's do that. And then we'll have the chicken for meals. I could cook something with it tonight. Hear that airplane? I think it sounds like a military.
Yeah, it's right
there. Whew, that's a military helicopter. Okay, so I'm just going to take all the chicken off. That is low.
Wow, it's a clear day.
Yeah, today is gorgeous, you guys. Absolutely beautiful. I made a batch of chicken salad that we had for lunch the other day, and with the rest of it, I'm going to make just a chicken salad. I'm gonna heat it up in the pan, add some spices to it, and then we're just gonna have a salad. I'm gonna have, I think I'm gonna boil some eggs too. Kids just love hard-boiled eggs with their salad, and we're just gonna do that in light and easy. I just want to share with you guys what I'm having my water in. It's called a Bubba. I got it from Walmart, and it keeps the ice cold all day long, frozen. It's in there, does it all day long. So this is what I've been drinking my water out of lately. I would love a Yeti. A Yeti does an amazing job, but this is not bad. Not bad at all. I still haven't planned in my planner, so I want to go downstairs to my office and plan my week in my planner, and I need to find my wallet. Something you need to know about me. I have a habit of losing car keys and my wallet. Last time I had it was Saturday when I went to Walmart, and I don't know. I didn't have it in my purse. I didn't take my purse with me. I had it in my coat pocket. It's not in my coat pocket, so I'm wondering if it's somewhere in my bedroom. I wonder if it fell out of my pocket. I was talking with my friend before I came into the house. She goes, "This is becoming like an every other week occurrence with you." I'm like, yes. And the next time I go to the store, I need to find this lipstick. Right here. This is by L'Oreal. and it's called Ferris Nude, and look how much I have left. Like nothing. It is one of my favorite lipsticks, and I hope they still make this because I will be so sad. I hate when they discontinue something that you love. And when I did go to bed last night, I had a hard time shutting off my brain, of course, because I was on the computer. So, I have here what I wanted to do today. That's a list. Yeah. I have invoices I need to do. I need to plan in my planner. I was supposed to call both my kids at schools to take care of things. Yeah, I didn't do that. Do my weekly home blessing today. Man, I didn't do that. And, put the laundry away that's in my bedroom. Yeah, I didn't do that. My house is clean up. That feels dang good. All right, I'm gonna start this Monday with you at 5:45. Found my wallet. I thought it was in my gray camo jacket, but I forgot I went to a funeral on Saturday, and I put it in my green coat because it's St. Patty's Day, and this is what I wore. So there you go. Dang. At least I found it, right? It's not lost. So I am taking a power hour right now and getting some desk time in. That's emails, planner, anything at the computer. So this is my power hour to get it done, and then we're gonna have dinner. Okay, I've planned some of my week. I know what's happening. Yes. Feels good. Feels really, really good. Kelly is studying. She's taking a little break.
Dropped 2 mixtapes in 6 months. As hard as me.
This is how my girl studies. I don't argue. It works.
Okay.
She's cruising through dental assisting school in high school. I'm not going to argue with her.
No time to chill. Stop it, Mom.
He's playing the Nintendo Switch.
Yes.
He's like a little boy. He's been doing this for about 20 minutes. Hey, it relaxes him after a hard day at work, so. Good morning, friends. Well, I'm just starting off my morning by picking up the kitchen. friends, happy Tuesday. I just got home from my monthly massage. It was fantastic. So before I get in the shower, I want to work out. That is the most hysterical phrase that ever came out of my mouth, but it's true. I do want to get some sort of movement in today. That's my goal. But first, I am meal planning. So I'm just picking a couple of meals for the week. Hey. All right. This light's bright. Well, I menu planned. I cut you off because Derek called me. And then I worked out a little. I did some squats and push-ups and some weights on my arms. I do my like cardio workouts when I work out, which is like rare. I do those like late at night, like at night before I go to bed, because I get too tired during the day. If I do them in the morning, I get too tired. So I took a shower, obviously, but while I was in the shower, I scrubbed the shower down. So the shower is nice and clean, and then I can focus on the rest of the bathroom. But right now I'm gonna do my hair and makeup. Let's get this done, shall we? All done. All right, I'm gonna throw some clothes on and go bring Jonah his track clothes because he forgot them. Thank goodness it's only right up the road. So it's always go, 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 right? But one day these days will be gone. So I'm going to enjoy them. So I have been meal planning, but also I have been planning freezer meals. Yes, I'm gonna be making some freezer meals here, and I'm gonna take you guys along with me. I am working on a couple of freezer meal videos for you, quite a bit of them. There's gonna be on what to freeze, what not to freeze. There's gonna be planning, and then I'm doing my freezer meal days. So I started gathering all my meals. I have a list of what I want to make. Oh, you probably can't even see it. No, you can't. So far. So here's the thing. If I am going to make a meal with ground beef, I might as well make a lot of meals with ground beef, because then you could just brown all the beef up together. So I have quite a few recipes here that would need ground beef. Now, I do have a freezer downstairs full of ground beef, so I've got plenty, so that's how I'm able to do that. So there's things like, well, I want meatloaf, but I don't need to brown it. So things that I need to brown for are minestrone soup, sloppy joes, taco soup, beef bean and bean burritos, stroganoff, tater tot casserole, and I might as well just cook up some taco meat. And so I have it in the fridge, and all I have to do is take that out, thaw it, and we have tacos. Heat it up, we've got tacos. So that is what I'm gonna be doing for my next round of freezer meals. And I have a couple of chicken recipes, but I'm gonna be sharing all of this with you. This is what I'm gonna be working on. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was motivating and fun all at the same time. But yeah, if you have any questions about freezer meals, go ahead and leave them down below. I'm gathering all the information tomorrow, and I'm hoping to, I actually would love to, no, I can't film it tomorrow. So leave any questions that you have. I'm gonna make a video on it, and I have gathered your questions from the last time I asked you on the last Housewife Live. So leave them down below, any questions you have on freezer meals, and I will answer them for you. So I am excited for the freezer meal series coming up, so stay tuned. Yes. All right. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate you guys. I hope you're doing good, and we will see you soon. Bye.